tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've come up with a new and much more interesting concept, which are numbers. And I made it more interesting with the use of Bollywood tune and some fun games. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to keep in mind that we don't pronounce the last consonant in do. We have to stress. 1, 2, 2. You have to stress like the. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. And in 6 and 10, you have to keep in mind that it is spelled as S-I-X, D-I-X, but it becomes sis, like S-I-S, D-I-S, sis, this, not six, X sound nahi aayega, sis, this, okay? So just repeat one more time with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bravo, très bien. So now moving further to 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Now slower. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bravo. Now from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now how to remember them? You might have listened to the song 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we will learn like this way, but till 12. Here 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Same way. You have to learn 13, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 17, 18, 19, 17, 18, 19, 20, 17, 18, 19, 20, 17, 18, 19, 20, 17, 18, 19. Yes. Okay, now we can start from the very basic to the very end. That is 1 to 20, and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, 16, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 17, 18, 19, 20, 17, 18, 19, 20, 17, 18, 19. Yes, so I hope you are ready with your 1 to 20 French numbers. Okay, so you should keep in mind that the number changes from 17 to 19. It's like these set, these with, these naf, 1. It's like 10, 7, 17, 10, 8, 18, 10, 9, 19. So you have to of course keep in mind the first 10 numbers, otherwise you won't be able to count further. So yeah, now it's revision time. I'll just give you random numbers and you have to spell. Okay, so first one. D set. Yes. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life. These. Never leave me, never. No. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer cat. Be waiting for you. Now. My love is forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours. Says. Cans. Very nice. Bravo. So I hope you enjoyed this video and do give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and please do revise the numbers at your homes and do it the same way and you won't forget. I'll come up with more numbers in the next video most probably. So stay safe, keep growing, and bye bye.